Welcome back to Techo AV, your destination for honest tech reviews and the latest in laptops, gadgets, and more. Today, we're checking out the brand new HP Laptop 15 FD0689TU, a budget-friendly device with some impressive specs. But is it the right choice for you in 2025? Let's find out. At first glance, the HP 15 FD0689TU features a clean, minimal design. It weighs just 1.65 kilograms, making it easy to carry, whether you're a student or a working professional. Build quality feels decent for its price range, and it comes with a full-sized soft gray keyboard and a dedicated numeric keypad, great for productivity. It's powered by the new Intel Core i5-120U processor, a 10-core, 12-thread CPU that can turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz. You get 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD. The laptop sports a 15.6-inch Full HD display with micro-edge bezels and anti-glare coating. It's rated at 250 nits brightness and covers 45% of the NTSC color gamut, which is decent for daily tasks, browsing, and media consumption. HP includes a decent selection of ports. One USB Type-C with 10 gigabits per second speed, power delivery, DisplayPort, and HP Sleep and Charge. 2 USB-A ports. One HDMI 1.4b, one headphone MIC combo jack, and one AC smart charging port. Full-size, soft gray keyboard with numeric keypad. It packs a 3-cell, 41Wh Li-ion battery, and with efficient power usage from the Intel chip, you can expect around 6 to 7 hours of real-world usage depending on your tasks. The included 45W Smart AC adapter. On the wireless side, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, great for fast, stable connectivity. Audio is powered by dual speakers. Sound quality is average, clear. Out of the box, it runs Windows 11 Home and includes HP's standard utility apps for support and diagnostics. You also get an EPA Gold rating, and it's Energy Star certified, so it's a bit more eco-friendly. Warranty-wise, HP offers 3 years on the notebook and 1 year on the battery and adapter, which is excellent for this price range. So, should you buy the HP 15 FD0689TU in 2025? If you're looking for a reliable laptop for office work, students, content consumption, and light productivity, this is a solid choice under budget. The new Intel Core i5 processor gives it a performance boost over older generations, and you get modern ports and good battery life. Unity Systems Solutions.